It's a man walking around with an iPad controlling the sound of it. So it's all new technology to me.
We're very impressed. Okay, this next song is a Fleetwood Mac song called Landslide. Richard? Get quicker at it, because Tim usually tries to tell a joke in between and his jokes are really bad.
Is he ready or spend?
Took my love and I took it down. I climbed the mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in snow-covered hills, and a landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? And can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the seasons maybe the landslide will bring it down. Oh, the landslide will bring it down.
Thank you very much.
Just while John's retuning, I ought to say that we're known as Don't Tell Johnny, but Don't Tell Johnny isn't our real name. In fact, if you're ever in one of these sorts of things, one of the hardest things is actually coming up with a name. And we had loads of ideas, but every idea that we came up with, John was tuning up on the end there.
I've finished now, Tim.
He would find something wrong with them. So in the end, we came up with a really good idea. And just as we were about to tell Johnny, shout out, "Don't tell Johnny." And it's stuck ever since. So we use the name Don't Tell Johnny, but we do have a real proper name. And if anyone wants to hear afterwards, I will have to share it with them.
It's a bit rude.
Release 20 acres and one Julie Bill from the Alabama Trust. But half of the cotton, third of the corn. We get a handful of dust. We cannot have all things to please us. No man
Then if you're going to see ghosts, you're going to be sad in a minute.
Just get you prepared.
Get tissues out. Timothy's going to sing us a song now.
That's me, brother. Yeah, I only get to sing one song, and after much persuading, the other two here have agreed to keep it in the set for this evening. So please bear with us on this one. This is a Townes Van Zandt song called No Place to Fall. If I had no place to fall, and I needed to, could I count on you to lay me? I never tell you no lies, I don't believe it's wise. You got pretty eyes. Won't you spin me around? I ain't much of a lover, it's true. I'm here, then I'm gone, and I'm forever blue. But I'm sure wanting you. Skies full of silver and gold, try and hide the sun, but it can't be true. He's not the one. If we help each other grow till the light of day shines down our way, then we can't go wrong. She's a fast old train. She's here and she's gone and she won't come again. So won't you take my If I had no place to fall, and I needed to, could I count on you to lay me down? Thank you very much.
Got a bit country, haven't we? Keep up the country with a couple of Gillian Welsh songs. And this one is another depressing one actually, about Elvis. Not that Elvis was depressing, but this song's all about him dying. So we've got to get some more cheerier songs, haven't we?
That night about Elvis, day that he died, the day that he died. I was thinking that night about Elvis, He shook it like a midnight rambler, baby, like you never seen, like you never seen, like you never seen. I was thinking that night about Elvis, the day that he died, the day that he died. I was thinking that night about Elvis, the day that he died, the day that he died. How we took it all out of black and white, grabbed his one in the other hand and he held on tight, and he shook it like a hurricane. He shook it like to make it break. He shook it like a holy roller, baby, with his soul at stake, with his soul at stake, with his soul at stake. I was thinking that night about Elvis, the day that he died, the day that he died. I was thinking that night about Elvis, the day that he died, the day that he died. He was all alone in a long decline, thinking how happy John Henry was when he fell out and died. And he shook it and it ran like silver. He shook it and it shone like gold. He shook it and he beat that steam drill, baby. Well, bless my soul, bless my soul. He shook it and he beat that steam drill, baby. Oh, bless my soul. What's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree, 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 on a fuzzy tree.
Very much. This is a song called Tennessee.
I kissed you 'cause I've never been an angel. I learned to say hosannas on my knees. But they threw me out of Sunday school when I was 9, and the sisters said I did just as I pleased. So I tried to be a good girl. It's only what I want that makes me weak. I had no desire to be a child of sin. Then you went and pressed your whiskers to my cheek. La la la, la la la. Dancing with damnation is your ball. But of all the little ways I found to hate myself, well, you might be my favorite one of all. Back to Tennessee. It's beefsteak when I'm working, and whiskey when I'm dry, and sweet heaven where I die. Live a life of running. Why can't I go home to apple pie? Your front to my virtue was a touch too much, but you left a little twinkle in my eye. Beefsteak when I'm working, and whiskey when I'm dry, and sweet heaven when I die. It's beefsteak when I'm working, and whiskey when I'm dry, and sweet heaven when I die.
Thank you very much.
Right, we're trying to sing a song about love now instead of dying. Leonard Cohen's song, Dance Me to the End of Love. Short version of it.
To your beauty with a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my home again. And dance me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witness is gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the end of love. La 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 la. to the end of love. Oh, don't speak to the end of love. La 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 la.
Originals, but we're just doing covers today.
This is another Boo Hewley song, and it's been performed by him and also by Eddie Reader. A song called Dragonfly. And Sam does quite a good dance in the middle of this, if she's in the right mood. Maybe she needs some encouragement.
You all ready for Ghost?
last summer's day, lifetime away, what do you find? Slow turning sun with somewhere to run on your mind. Not the flash that you saw that was gone in the wink of an eye. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies. Then miracle blue can never tell you how it came to be. Each different kind accident designed for you and me. And we ask the whole of our lives, maybe there's no why. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies. How can something so fragile leave us helpless? We all feel helpless once in a while. How can something so fragile leave us humble? We all need humble once in a while. And then nature can sing such beautiful things. Did you think of this? That each of us know in our hearts we must go. That's what beauty is. And just as a dream you were in, dissolved in the morning sky. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies. How can something so fragile leave us helpless? We all feel helpless once in a while. How can something so fragile leave us humble? We all need humble once in a while. And then nature can sing such beautiful things. Did you think of this? That each of us know in our hearts we must grow. That's what beauty is. And just as a dream you were in, dissolved in the morning sky. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies. As soon as we're here, we disappear like dragonflies.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tim's going to give you a little brief intro to this one?
We don't write many of our own songs yet anyway. It's a process we find particularly challenging. In fact,
You've written one.
we went on the weekend, the three of us went on the weekend away in South Wales, and with the objective of writing an album. And we came away with just the one song. We were at the place where Dylan Thomas worked, and this song is about Dylan Thomas. It's a song, he was married to a woman called Caitlin, and the song is about his daughter. I normally get told off for too long intros of these songs. If Johnny's fully
You
tuned
usually
up,
start off reciting some Dylan Thomas.
it's,
We don't know that.
we use the lyrics from Under Milkwood, slow
We've written
black,
one song and we wrote Dylan Thomas.
slow black, pro-black, fishing boat, Robin Sea. Such beautiful words, we couldn't resist using them in our own song. Okay, that's enough miserable ones. We're going to up the tempo just a little bit with a couple of more upbeat numbers to finish with. This first one is Paul Weller song you may recognise, and it's called Wildwood.
Mid-afternoon, people fly by, hear the traffic's boom, going just where you're blowing, getting to where you should be going. Don't let them get you down, making you feel guilty about. Golden rain will bring you riches, all the good things you deserve. Climbing, forever trying, gonna find your way out of the wild, wild wood. Now there's no justice, it's only yourself you can trust in. And I said, high tide, mid-afternoon, people fly by in the traffic's boom, going just where you're blowing, getting to where you should be going. Day by day, your wealth fades away, waiting to see all the dreams that say golden rain bring you riches, all the good things you deserve. And now when I say climbing, forever trying, gonna find your way out of the wild, wild wood. Gonna find your way out of the wild, wild wood. Thank you very much. Okay, this is our last song. This is a song called Wagon Wheel by Old Crow Medicine Show. Enjoy the show. Thanks for listening.
you up before you go and have a good cry. I hope you've got plenty of tissues with you.
We are Don't Tell Johnny, by the way, and we're from Chepstow. This is a bit of an anthem for us in Chepstow. We always finish on this song.
John's not from
No, no,
Chepstow.
right.
From how you say that.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time in Chepstow.
in New England. I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Whoa, the North Country winners keep getting me now. Lost my money playing poker, I had to up the knee. I ain't a turning back to living out all life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey,
Hey, hey, mama, rock me.
rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey,
Mama, rock me.
walking to the south, out of Roanoke, got a trucker rider Philly, had a nice long tour. East ahead and west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. Whoa, I gotta keep moving, think for the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey,
Hey, hey, mama, rock me.
rock me, mama, like the wind